I was driving to Taekwondo or something. And then I came to this crossing and a train was on it. The first locomotive had already passed. And so I couldn't record it. Then a Chessie System C40-8 or something was at the end of the train, and it was committing illegal switching maneuvers. Somehow it stopped really quickly, too. And then what happened was I caught it on tape, and then it was pulling the Nebraska Zephyr cars from the Illinois Railway Museum. And yeah, I actually was able to pull them by myself. And the tracks that ran home from my school, or the road, sorry, I got a little mixed up there. Apparently, the road home just apparently was replaced by train tracks. And I could pull the Nebraska Zephyr cars down those tracks. And then we arrived at home. But then there was a tornado, and so a bunch of random people came into my basement, including this non-binary kid, Lamont. I didn't like him at all, okay? And so I used a bunch of bags of apples to barricade myself in. Well, to a certain room. And then the Google search engine gave me suggestions for Laura Carrot's uterus.